Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto to understand how Bitcoin and Ethereum are created and take a quick look at the evolution of Bitcoin. Let's jump in. How Bitcoin is created. Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. When they solve one, they get to add a new block to the Bitcoin blockchain and are rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This reward started at 50 Bitcoin per block in 2009, but it's cut in half every 4 years, a process called the halving. Today, it's 6.25 Bitcoin per block, and after the next halving, it'll drop to 3.125 Bitcoin. This limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, makes Bitcoin a form of our digital gold. Evolution of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. At first, it was used mostly by tech enthusiasts and had little to no value. 10,000 BTC once bought 2 pizzas. As more people learned about it, Bitcoin's value soared. In 2017, it hit $20,000, then $69,000 in 2021. Along the way, it gained institutional interest, became legal tender in El Salvador, and sparked a global debate on money, decentralization, and freedom. Bitcoin started as a peer-to-peer payment system, but now it's mostly seen as a store of value, like gold, but digital. How Ethereum is created. Ethereum was launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and others. It started like Bitcoin. New ETH was created through mining. But in 2022, Ethereum switched to a more eco-friendly system called Proof of Stake. Now, ETH is created by validators who lock up or stake their ETH to help secure the network. In return, they earn rewards. This shift, called the merge, made Ethereum about 99% more energy efficient. Ethereum isn't just digital money. It's a platform for smart contracts and decentralized apps, dApps, powering DeFi, NFTs, and much more. So to recap, Bitcoin and Ethereum are both revolutionary, but they're built differently. Bitcoin is about scarcity and security. Ethereum is about programmability and innovation. If you learned something new, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team BTC or ETH? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Blast off.